Hi, welcome to 5 Minute Frequency Tune Up. I'm Susan Kennard. Thank you so much for joining me, spending 5 minutes with me on a Friday morning. Whenever you're listening to this, it is perfect. So what we're going to work with today is the Ascended Masters. Now, my previous video this week, my live, I actually took you through a process looking at where were you on the scale of judgment, fear, etc., and how that was activated, how that activates our own inner shadow. So what I said on that video was that on my 5 minute frequency tune up, we're actually going to go a bit deeper and we're actually going to see what the Ascended Masters want to do with us, okay? Because I feel like there is, as they show it to me now, there is a frequency match to this great experience that's going on in the world at the moment, which is governed by fear, okay? So let's do this. All right, so if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to see the lives, because this is my pre-recorded one and my lives go out every single week unless I'm traveling, and then I don't always go live. Anyway, all right, lots of love. Here we go. Take this time for you. So let's take a deep breath. Come into your heart. Okay, good. So just connecting down to a star under your feet, your earth star, and a star above your head, your soul star. And just feeling into that energy of being grounded and connected. And imagine a beautiful beam of light coming down from your soul star, protecting you, creating a bubble around you. Good. So I want you now just to connect into your heart and just receive. And what the guides are showing me, so we're going to bring in the Ascended Masters. So let's just invite in our very own guides and angels, and we're going to invite in the Ascended Masters, the Ascended ones. And what they're actually saying, so Melchizedek is here, Mother Mary, Jeshua. Actually, I can see many of the galactics as well stepping in here, which was a surprise. But Kuan Yin is here, Metatron is here, Saint Germain is here. There are so many. Thank you. What they're saying to me is that they're showing me a frequency of fear held within all of us. So no one is, no one is perfect. No one is pure, complete love frequency. There is always pieces, else we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't have chosen to be here in this experience in this lifetime. And they want you just to feel into where you may be feeling this fear within your body, okay? So we're not going to be in it for long. So I just want you to imagine scanning your body. And this is Metatron coming in to do this work. Thank you. So we're scanning our body. Okay, and you may get a sense of where it might be for you. So where it is for me is deep in the center, right in, almost like, almost solar plexus area. And I happen to be seeing mine as with a little dark black spot. And I'm hearing judgment, okay? So go into what yours is. Fear of judgment I'm hearing. So what are you hearing? Okay, fear of, and whatever it might be. Okay, and what I'm hearing from the guides is that as we're stepping into this next frequency of ascension, we need to let go of the layers. So it's not that you perhaps haven't released fear before, or fear of judgment, or fear of survival, or whatever it might be. It's just that there's the next frequency level. Okay, so I believe they're going to come in with sound healing. So just focus in on that area where it is, wherever yours might be. And if you don't know where it is, don't worry, and just receive this. Okay. Okay, I'm going to get a tiny bit of water. Okay, so there's a few light codes coming in here. Okay, so here we go. Just receive and watch this release, or watch the or feel this release within you. Okay. Okay, take a deep breath. Okay, so this feels like a very angelic frequency coming in now. So that was releasing something that was very old, very dark, not from today. And they're showing me the Akashic records. So I feel like a lot of us will have released something from our Akashic realms. So here come the angelic frequency. I can see them coming in here. So this is to bring peace, they're saying. So wherever that was, it's going to be replaced with peace. And I get pink, gold, white light. Okay, so this is Rahani energy. Rahani angels mean of one heart. So here we go. So just see this frequency of pink and gold and white. So take a deep breath and just feel into your body now. And come back to me. I feel an incredible frequency of peace, of calmness, of alignment. Let me know what you feel. Thank you so much for joining me on 5-Minute Frequency Tune-Up. Please let me know in the comments what you experienced. Much love. And if you want to know more about me and my work, pop over to my website, susankennard.co.uk. Much love for now. Bye bye.